Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Introducing the Gears Black Cotton Balaclava, the ultimate all-season headwear. Its sleek design fits comfortably under helmets, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, sports enthusiasts, and more, while also being simple to fold and store. Crafted from 100% sustainably sourced hypoallergenic organic cotton, this balaclava offers a soft, comfortable fit for everyone. The U-shaped neck enhances mobility, and flat-seamed construction eliminates chafing, ideal for prolonged use. Versatile in use, it's perfect for outdoor activities like hiking and biking, sports such as motorcycling and snowmobiling, and even for military and law enforcement purposes. It's also a stylish accessory for urban fashion, useful in work environments, and a practical component of survival gear. Machine washable and one-size-fits-all, it's convenient for everyday use. Add to cart and seize your adventure.